In this video, we will be looking at the causes, origins, and stakes of leaks. Leaks can have various origins and cause numerous nuisances. Today, from an ecological viewpoint, significant leakage rates can no longer be tolerated. In this module, we will firstly look at the main causes of leaks and the signs which indicate the presence of a leak on the network. We will then cover the technical and financial consequences of leaks. Leaks are caused by several factors, such as overly high pressure, pipeline deterioration, such as cast iron and steel pipelines, for example, which can cause problems of corrosion. Leaks can also be found on older pipelines in PVC. Connections being made via bonding, pipes break at the level of joints or bends with material dilatation. We can also observe problems of leaks on polyethylene pipes in the case of disinfection using chlorine dioxide. On older pipelines, laid for more than 50 years ago, the risks are also higher. Poor laying conditions. If laying standards are not respected, or if the pipeline is located under a busy road, leaks are frequent. Water hammer effects, but also variations in temperature, namely when pipes thaw, can also create leaks. Leaks are mainly situated at the level of connections, but they can also be found at the level of pipelines, water tanks. If filling continues once the tank is full, the water passes into the overflow and is lost in nature. Drainage valves create a water loss if they're left open. Network accessories such as fire hydrants or suction cups. So, how can we detect a leak? Several elements can indicate the presence of a leak on the network. It's the case, for example, of an increase in flow in a given sector, water shortage or a fall in pressure for users, subsidence of roadways owing to water infiltration, for example. Leaks have technical and financial consequences. Leaks result in water resource wastage and therefore overexploitation. This can lead to a water shortage. In order to provide the same volume of water to users, it is necessary to inject more water into the network. If we inject more water into the network, we need more reagents to treat it, more pumping, so therefore higher energy consumption. Leaks, therefore, lead to an increase in operating costs. If the volumes of water distributed increase, it is necessary to put in place a bigger treatment structure and anticipate necessary investments. Leaks degrade service quality as certain repairs require the water supply to be stopped, resulting in discontinuous distribution. Repairing leaks can also result in a degraded water quality. During the repairs, the network can be contaminated by the introduction of foreign bodies, such as mud or infiltration water. Lastly, leaks can create damages such as flooding, roadways subsiding, or being ripped apart. The main points to be remembered. Good knowledge of the origin and causes of leaks improves network operation. In the event of leaks, the service may be discontinued. To be able to guarantee the service, it is necessary to inject more water into the network, which in turn increases costs.